In a shocking revelation, popular TikToker Peller wraps up 2024 in an exotic style, revealing his engagement to his rumored lover, Jarvis. This comes on the heels of Jarvis' successful surgery and recovery from a mouth tumor. On Instagram, Peller shared a video of his proposal to Jarvis, capturing a reaction to the special moment. The video shows the duo at a luxurious restaurant, where Jarvis appears shocked and hesitant at first, but is urged by close associates to accept the proposal. Eventually, Jarvis accepted, and the proposal was followed by a romantic moment between the duo. In the post caption, Peller expressed his excitement, revealing that their marriage plans are slated for 2025. The post reads, "Congratulations to me, she said yes, and she kissed me. At Real Jadorita 2025 is for Japel." Habib Hamzat, known professionally as Peller, is a Nigerian online streamer and content creator. Peller emerged online around 2021, known for his sarcastic manner and reluctance while streaming. While some criticized his actions, believing he's a teenager, some said it's a prank, and some celebrated with a young man. It's worth noting that Peller currently holds the highest viewed stream in Africa, with 76,000 views, surpassing his previous record of 60,000 views, which featured popular Nigerian artist Olamide. He also won the Best Content Creator Award at the Trace Awards and Festival in 2024. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real updates on entertainment and lifestyle and festival in 2024. Stay tuned to NaijaNews.